Did you know that India was once home to mighty dinosaurs? A land where giants roam, their footprints still hidden beneath our soil. Join us on a journey that takes us back millions of years, along the lost paths of the dinosaur highway. In the heart of Gujarat lies a forgotten land, a place where India's own dinosaurs once roamed. Here, scientists uncovered fossils of one of the largest predators to walk this land. But how many of us truly remember this lost king of India? Are we ready to rediscover this hidden chapter of our past? In the Narmada Valley, paleontologists made a discovery that shook the scientific world. These are some of the oldest dinosaur eggs ever found on Earth. Could this valley, once a prehistoric nursery, become the foundation for a real-life Jurassic Park in India? 65 million years ago, a catastrophe unfolded here. A supervolcanic eruption that lasted thousands of years, covering the Earth in darkness and bringing about the extinction of the dinosaurs. Could this be the site of one of the greatest extinctions in Earth's history? Once, this land was not land at all, but a vast ocean, home to marine giants of the past. Fossils hidden within these rocks tell the story of an underwater Jurassic world. But could there be more yet to be discovered? Not all dinosaurs lived in open plains. Deep in the northeast, fossils reveal that these creatures once roamed dense rainforests. What other mysteries lie buried beneath this land, waiting to be uncovered? Imagine a trail that connects these prehistoric wonders. A dinosaur heritage trail, bringing together fossils, museums, and state-of-the-art dinosaur experiences. With the right vision, India could become home to one of the world's greatest paleontological attractions. This is not just a bone. This is a forgotten chapter of our story. If you believe India should bring its dinosaurs back to life through science and tourism, share this video, because one day India might just have its very own Jurassic Park.